question 6. Question 6 is actually testing students on the topic of kinetic particle theory, and the concept is on rate of diffusion, which is affected by two factors. Number one, temperature, and the second one will be the relative molecular masses of gases. Okay, so let's take a look at the question. It is shown, the apparatus shown below, it is used to demonstrate the diffusion of gases. Which pair of gases, K and L, would cause a downward movement of the colored water in the left arm of the U-tube? And where is the left arm of the U-tube? Left arm of the U-tube is here, okay? Not the place where they label colored water. So you definitely need to read the question. Again, question 6 is also a rather tricky question. Okay, it is set out to trap students. Okay, so read the question properly. They are asking you what would cause a downward movement on the left arm of the U-tube. So if there is a downward movement on the left arm of the U-tube, what can you conclude regarding the MR of gas K and gas L? Because it's going down, right? The water level is going down. This means that gas K is diffusing into the pot, into the porous pot faster than gas L is diffusing out of the porous pot. Okay, so gas K, it is diffusing faster, diffusing into the pot faster, so there is an increase in pressure in the pot, which causes the water level to go down. So why is gas K diffusing faster compared to L? You can conclude that K has a lower MR than L. Okay, so this is the conclusion that you need to draw based on the data that is presented to you. So let's compare the molecular masses of the gases in all options. For A, the MR of fluorine, 2 times 19, it will be 38. Argon, it is a noble gas, so the AR is equals to 40. C2H6, this is a compound that you will see in Sec 4. This is called ethane. It has a mass, molecular mass 2 times 12, 24 plus 6 bracket 1, 30. Nitrogen monoxide, 14 plus 16, 30. O2, MR, it is equals to 32, 2 times 16, it is equals to 32. Methane, CH4, MR, 12 plus 4, 16. Carbon monoxide, MR will be 28, nitrogen 2 times 14, 28. So based on your conclusion that K must have a lower MR than L, your answer will be A. Okay, so what if it is options B and D? What happens? What will be your observation if, let's say, gas K is ethane and L is nitrogen monoxide for option B? You will observe no change in water level. Okay, same for option D. So option B and D, you will observe no change in the left arm of the U-tube in water level at left arm. Okay, no change in water level. Can. So what about option C? What will you observe if you have if gas K is oxygen and gas L is methane? K being a gas that has a higher molecular mass than L, methane, you will observe a rise or an upward movement. Upward movement on left arm of U-tube. Okay, that is why your answer is A.